Instructions for replacing a blade on a Cub Cadet LTX 1040. Cub Cadet riding mowers have been showing up in suburban lawns since the early 1960s. The Cub Cadet LTX 1040 is a small riding mower that comes standard with a 19-horsepower single-cylinder Kohler gasoline engine and a 42-inch wide mower deck that contains 2 blades. The blades can be sharpened, but a damaged or bent blade may cause the mower deck to run off balance. The mower blades can be replaced in short order. Things you'll need: socket set, ratchet wrench, wood block, work gloves, replacement cutting blade, torque wrench. Turn off the mower engagement button on the dashboard. Set the parking brake. Lower the mower deck to its lowest setting by moving the adjustment lever on the right fender to its lowest notch. Locate the mower clutch pulley under the front of the mower. Remove the retaining nuts from the belt guard with a socket and ratchet wrench, then remove the guard. Slide the mower drive belt off the clutch pulley. Locate the deck retaining pin on the left side of the mower deck. Pull out on the spring-loaded pin to release the deck from the mounting bracket. Repeat for the right side of the deck. Raise the deck adjustment lever on the right fender to its highest notch. Pull out the retaining pin on the deck engagement cable at the rear of the mower deck. Remove the retaining pin from the stabilizer rod at the front of the deck, then slide the rod out of its mounting hole in the deck. Slide the mower deck out from under the mower and turn it over so that the underside is facing upwards. Place a wood block on the center baffle on the deck to keep the blades from turning. Don a pair of work gloves and remove the center retaining nut from the blade you wish to remove with a socket and ratchet wrench. Lift the blade straight off the cutting deck. Install a new blade with the serial number facing upwards onto the cutting deck and tighten the retaining nut with a torque wrench to between 70 and 90 foot-pounds. Turn the mower deck right side up and slide it back under the mower. Install the deck in the reverse order of removal.